Okay, now it's working. I struggle a little bit with the recording feature of Windows. But alright, here it is. My name is Rogelio Conde. I'm a student from CS50 2020, finally finishing on 2021. I'm in Sacramento, California, but I'm a citizen from Mexico City. And my final project is a web application of personalized New Year gift cards for my friends and family, and also to the followers of my webcomic, RogerThatBunny. The homepage is just an explanation of this whole layout, and also here's a special panel of my comic explaining how my character makes a portal, who connects to its artist, then makes a connection, and then the creativity takes place. To go ahead, right now I'm logged in as any user, so this is the generic Happy New Year card. Here we have a feature of a friendly monster where we type a fear from 2021, like fear of the dark, so that our little monster eats it, so that we don't have to worry anymore. And now we hurry and go make a wish. Here we can make a wish, dog, because it's the user we're logged in honor to Dog Lloyd, and we're gonna make a wish of I wish for world peace, so that it gets sent into space. And here we go, an animation of the deep space. And now just to demonstrate how it's different from if we log in as one of my friends, I'm gonna go like this. For example, Amado, password Amado. He's one of my cherished friends from high school, among many others. We're like 8 in our group called Use of the Force. When we go to gift, this is a different page because the web application recognizes his username and generates a new render template with this table where we can see his name, the other names of my friends, a special symbol, and a song that I dedicate from them with an API from Spotify. It's just an HTML code, and here I am thanking because all of them sent me this amazing gift, this guitar. All of them pitched in and sent this guitar all the way from Mexico to California with me. Now I'm just gonna show pretty quickly my app. Here is my application.py file. Works on my model. I'm actually using the same database from PCT9 and all my templates. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much CS50 for making me feel comfortable into not feeling comfortable and pushing through difficult objects. Thank you.